learn how to fucking defend yourself.
You need to learn how to pull up your pants.
Noonan.
Hello?
No! Ow! Bitch! Fucking
No!
bitch! Yeah, go down! What the fuck was that?
You're someone. Ah! John!
Ow! What the?
Sorry.
What is this fucking?
Ow!
They threw this at me.
Because you fucking hurt me, you fucking twat. Throw him. Throw him, bitch.
Looks like I'm winning this fight.
Actu-
Wait!
Actually, no. You'll see on camera later.
Flip up. I hate when people
Hit her with the chair! Hit her with the chair!
What, bitch? You can't take it? You can see all this shit about going to Yankee Lake? What?
I'm going to eat. You're not, because no one likes you.
You can't even say it.
Yeah.
Stop!
Maria, get her! Get her, Maria! Ah!
Wow, Emily, that was scary.
Get her, Maria! Get her! I got her! I got her over here!
That hurts!
Do it again! Get me out of here, you fucking retard!
No!
Hey, time out, my glass, you fucking moron.
There's no timeouts in fighting! Emily, pick your fucking ass up. That's what I see on camera, is your butthole. Maria, get her! You gonna let her push you around like that, girl?
Fuck you up, bitch.
Get her! Okay.
My head hurts.
Oh, shut up.
I'll show you a headache.
Maria, jump on her face.
Hey, you might.
Get her, Emily! Get her!
That's my sister's pictures.
I know, I looked at it.
Emily, you need to do something.
Back it up. You can see all this shit.
Oh, good one, Em. Good one.
Hey, we have matching flip-flops.
Yeah, it's good. Good acknowledgement.
I'm gonna drink.
Acknowledgement.
You just threw your drink.
Just
at the
fucking.
That's not my drink. That's
What?
been there for like.
Hit her with the chair! Hit her with the chair!
There's no fucking.
Whoa! Getting a little close there, girls.
Wow, I'm gonna down.
That's Maria.